Hey guys, I hit 200 subscribers and I'm so happy. I mean, I kind of want 1,000 subscribers, which is why you should go subscribe and like this video right now. But anyway, I'm gonna be making a 200 subscriber play button out of ramen noodles and super glue because you gotta hop on the trends to get those views. Okay, so the first step is I'm kind of hungry. I bought too many packets of these, so I'm gonna. Also, gotta make ramen when doing this because we're hungry now. And now we're gonna go over and we're gonna keep this to the blender. Let's try this one. Oh, frick. So now we're gonna make a mold because we don't want the super glue going everywhere. So the idea is we're gonna cut out this mold, which I'm gonna start doing right now. And then we're gonna put these two pieces in, or this one's gonna get cut up. And we're gonna take this powder to seal in the gaps, and then we're gonna glass over with tons of super glue, and hopefully it'll make a nice hard powder. Okay, so now we're gonna put our ramen in, and I think we're actually gonna have to crush up some. I'm just gonna try like oozing it all around the edges, I guess? I don't know. I really don't know what I should be doing. So now, we're gonna try to take off the paper. But it appears that it's going every which way. So while this still isn't hard, I'm gonna go with this chisel to try and get a play button shape out. Maybe not there, probably like right about here. Yeah, that's good. So I'm just gonna dig out the powder. Flattened out most of this. We're just gonna go over and put super glue across the rest of it. You gotta be careful around the button. Okay, so I'm gonna use this aqua paint on it now. It doesn't look that good, but I didn't have enough super glue, so. Oh god, it really makes all the crevices very obvious. See that? That's my gallium play button that I made, I don't know, 2 years ago. And that video is pretty bad, but I gotta say, it's a pretty cool play button. And then last year, this play button overthrew it when I got 100 subscribers. And then my growth rate increased 10%. And now this year, I have 200 subscribers. And so, for the honor, we're gonna put this one in. This nice, partially finished ramen noodle play button, which is really, really beautiful. Okay, so now we're just gonna put it in, but it's not big enough. And am I gonna change the jig to do it? No, because it's 9 o'clock and I'm leaving to New York City tomorrow. So I'm getting this video out really quickly, and you may see that the editing is pretty bad. So I'm not gonna do that. But anyway, thank you all for watching. Go put questions you want for a Q&A down in the comment section. I wanted to do a Q&A today, but like I said, I'm going to New York, so I can't really do that because I can't edit the video. Long story. But yeah, the weekly uploads continue. Make sure to smash that subscribe button if you made it this far into the video also, because, well, you know, we gotta make some more play buttons. Like, what else could we do? Like, I mean, we could make them out of anything. We could make them out of Legos, we could make them out of blood, we could make them out of frozen urine. The possibilities are endless. We can't make it out of bedrock though, because we can't mine that.